Welcome to the Mechanic channel, the place where power and technology meet. In this video, we will explore the impressive world of bulldozers. From incredible functionality to the latest technology, see how these machines are breaking barriers and shaping our landscape. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so you don't miss other interesting content. Come on, let's get started. In the world of construction and mining, namely the bulldozer, this machine is known for its ability to handle heavy work, from leveling the ground to moving large materials with high efficiency. With its specially designed large front blade, bulldozers play a crucial role in preparing land and supporting large projects. Let's explore more deeply one of the largest bulldozers in the world, regarding its birthplace and specifications. Bulldozers are heavy equipment designed for construction and excavation work. These were wheeled or barreled machines with a large blade at the front known as a blade. The following is an explanation of the bulldozer and its function. Main components of a bulldozer. 1. Blades. The large blade at the front of a bulldozer that is used to push, level, or dig soil. The blade can be adjusted to suit various types of work. 2. Tracks or wheels. Tracks, barrel, provide better traction and stability on various terrains compared to wheels. 3. Engines. The bulldozer engine provides the power needed to operate the blade and perform heavy work. Main functions of bulldozer. 1. Excavation work. Dig and move soil, gravel, or other materials. 2. Level the surface. Arrange and level the ground surface for road construction, construction areas, or land clearing work. 3. Material disposal. Collecting and moving materials from one place to another, such as an excavation or demolition work. 4. Road construction and repair. Prepare and level land for road and highway construction. 5. Land management work. Changing the contour of the land, creating drainage channels, or leveling the area for development. Advantages of bulldozers. 1. Strength and endurance. Able to handle heavy materials and work in difficult terrain conditions. 2. Flexibility. The adjustable blade allows for a variety of jobs, from leveling to digging. Bulldozers are essential in large construction projects, road maintenance, and land clearing, serving as the primary tool for preparing and leveling the ground. Acco Super Bulldozer. Produced by Umberto Acco, a company from Italy. Acco Super Bulldozer is one of the strongest and largest crawler bulldozers in the world. This machine was designed for a major development project in Libya in the 1980s. Various components and parts use Caterpillar technology, and some parts are specially adapted to meet the design and specifications desired by the designer. However, development projects in Libya were stopped due to global embargo sanctions on Libyan trade at that time. As a result, the Acco Super Bulldozer, which is the largest bulldozer in the world, remained in Portogruaro, northern Italy, the machine's hometown, and was never used in the planned project. To this day, the Acco Super Bulldozer is preserved and used as an educational object in the city of its birth, providing valuable insight into the technology and power of this machine. Acco Super Bulldozer specifications: length 12.2 meters, width of unit 7 meters, height 3.05 meters. This unit weighs 183 tons, with an engine with a horsepower capacity of 1,350. This unit, which comes from Italy, was made by the manufacturer Umberto Acco, with spare parts from Caterpillar. The Acco Super Bulldozer is an example of heavy equipment engineering prowess, and although it never saw service in the field, it remains a symbol of innovation and strength in the world of construction.